Hello, my name is Morgan Hare and I'm going to be doing my topic over the harmful effects of single-use plastic. On average, single-use plastic has killed millions and millions of marine animals and seabirds every year. In my junior year of high school, I took an aquatics class where I learned how single-use plastic can harm the ocean, marine life, and the environment. Since then, I researched and took action on helping the planet by making simple changes in my everyday life. Single-use plastics affects marine life, animals, and humans in many ways, such as marine life mistaking plastic with food, which can cause starvation and death. Animals get entangled, which can cause suffocation and death. And then humans ingesting microplastics, which can lead to health problems and death as well. From learning the extreme importance of eliminating or decreasing the use of single-use plastic, I have stopped buying plastic water bottles, stopped using plastic bags, and plastic straws. The alternative I have for all of these items are reusable grocery bags, reusable straws, and reusable cups. By switching the single-use plastic items we use every day, we can reduce pollution, reduce the demand for plastic production that is contributing to global climate change. Single-use plastic causes harm to wildlife, marine life, and even the environment. Although plastic makes our life easier, it's harming our beautiful home we call Earth. It is polluting our oceans that make up most of the world, affecting our marine life, affecting humans in negative ways, and taking up needed landfills. The ocean takes up more than 70% of the world, with the ocean taking up more than half of the world. According to Pew Charitable Trust, it is estimated that up to 13 million metric tons of plastic ends up in the ocean each year. That is the equivalent of a garbage truckload's worth every minute. When plastic ends up in the ocean, many animals get entangled or ingest the plastic, which can lead to death by starvation, suffocation, or drowning. Not only is it affecting the animals, it is also affecting humans as well. According to Environmental Health News, they say the degradation of plastic leads to microplastics that can get into people, wildlife, soil, and water. With this information, we know that plastic is hurting us humans and will probably cause health risks later on in life due to the growing microplastics in the human body. The Environmental Health News also notes that the incinerating plastic is harming the human body because of its harsh additives. Just like the microplastics that humans are consuming, these additives will later be detrimental to our health. For instance, the harmful additives can cause cardiac issues, birth defects, and cancer. If humans were more careful on where they place their garbage, people would not have to deal with the karma they caused on themselves by littering the planet. If current trends continue, our oceans could contain more plastic than fish by 2050. Making simple switches such as replacing your plastic things with reusable utensils, straws, plastic, and cups. We can also make sure to not litter to help to keep the environment clean. We can recycle plastic when necessary. And according to Factory Direct, banning plastic bags may seem extreme, but that is a proven and effective solution to this problem. With the availability of reusing shopping bags, it can be easy to kick your disposable bag habit and ensure that you are not contributing to plastic bag litter that plagues our planet and harms our wildlife. With all of these simple changes we can have wonderful outcomes, a clean ocean and environment for our animals and ourselves. If we stopped using single-use plastic, we could save hundreds of marine life animals from entanglement and suffocation. If we come together and stop using single-use plastic, we will save the environment, the ocean, along with the marine life. We can start with simply switching our everyday items we use plastic water bottles to reusable water bottles. We can also donate to the World Wildlife website. They conserve nature and reduce the most pressing threats to the diversity of life on Earth. After all, the marine life is what makes up the ocean, and the ocean is what helps makes humans survive. It's at least we can do to protect the world. Thank you.